Taurus, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the third week of October. Now before we start your reading, let me just give you an update about the energies that we are facing as a collective. Yesterday, that is on the 11th of October, the biggie planet Saturn, the Lord of Karma, the planet of Karma, has moved direct. And what does that mean for all of us? It means that life is going to be more easy now. It's going to be more easy to breathe. The jobs, the responsibilities, the relationships are not going to feel so burdensome, so tiresome, so heavy now, okay? And isn't that an energy that we all are waiting for? So I love that for all of us, and I claim that energy for all of us. Alright, so remember, this is a general read, Taurus, for the sun, moon, rising sign of Taurus. I would advise you to always watch your sun, moon, rising videos, because you will find some or the other message in each and every video, okay? This is a general video, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. I want to take a moment to thank all of you for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Also, I would request you to please give a thumbs up, a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my video on your social media. You'll be doing me a great favor by helping the channel to reach more people. Thank you so much in advance. All right, so Taurus, third week of October. Let's see what the energies are playing out for you. You've drawn a full moon card. Surrender to the divine, Taurus. You see, the energy that I'm getting from this and the message that I'm getting from this is that when we are living in this world, when we are, having a life, okay. Right, Taurus, there was somebody at the door. Okay, so to continue, as I was saying, see, when we are in this world living a life with full of struggles, responsibilities, families, love, finances, we need to take care of so many things. And when we get caught up in these responsibilities, or in this routine, let me say, so what happens is that we tend to just be in the moment of actually just doing things, okay? And we forget that there is a higher power, there is a divine who's actually working through us in even every moment of our lives. Not to say, and that is the reason why when we say I did this, it's actually the truth being that the divine has done that through us, okay? So we need to get into that energy of gratitude for every little thing, and that is when we acknowledge the bigger power, the divine, the universe, God, your angels, your archangels, your spirit guides, whomever you believe in, the higher power, okay? They are working through us, and that is where we need to take a moment, 5 minutes, 10 minutes in every day, just to be grateful to what is happening and what is playing out in your life, the good and the bad, because even the bad comes to teach us something, okay? So we need to take a time out every day to meditate, to connect with the divine, to offer our gratitude, to offer our thankfulness, and just be in a very surrendering kind of a energy, okay? And that is the energy that you are being called to be in more, Taurus, okay? So let's see what other messages are coming out. Soul purpose, and that's number 29, which works out to 11. I would advise you to look up the number, master number 11 and the angel number 11, because you'll find some messages there. And this says, act on your soul purpose today. Exactly. Because life is not just about profession, about work, about family, about bills to be paid, about health to be taken care of. It is about, there is a reason why you're born on this earth. That is what I meant by saying It's a very deeply spiritual reading also, that you need to connect to the source, to the divine, to understand why you're born here. Okay, because we forget the magic, or we overlook the magic of us being born here as a divine child, because there is a purpose to us being here. Okay, and once we are connecting to the soul purpose, our life in the 3D reality also works out in a more comfortable way. Okay, in a more, and there is an awareness to what is happening, why it is happening. Okay, and that is what your reading is coming is showing you, that to connect to the divine on a daily basis, on a regular basis, and sharing all your thoughts, all your worries, all your concerns, and your gratitude to the divine. That is how, when you surrender, and you will find that there is a reason, there is a purpose to everything that happens in our life, to every person who comes into our life, every person, every relationship that is in our life. Okay, so it's very deep. All right, wishes, very nice. 35, which works out to 8, which is about infinity, which is about abundance, which is about karma. And we just talked about how Saturn has moved direct, and he being the planet of karma, that we will all as a collective receive the good and the bad karma, the rewards and the punishments. And I don't like to say punishments, but the lessons for the bad karma. So you have drawn the wishes card. Be careful what you wish for, as one of your wish will be granted. Exactly. So when you come from a place of gratitude for all that you already have in your life, what you do is you are actually attracting more good things to come into your life. And that is this excuse me, that is the energy I pick up from this card, which is advising you to surrender to the divine, to be grateful for all that you have, and to welcome all the new wishes that are going to come into your life. Okay, and you're going to be blessed. So be very careful that you don't get into a pride energy. Rather, you go into surrendering to the divine, saying, thank you for everything, dear divine. Okay, you've drawn the postponement card, which is number 4. Exactly. You always tend to be, most of us tend to be in this energy, Taurus, of doing the thing that is the most important. We keep it for tomorrow. We'll do it tomorrow. The gratitude, the surrendering to the divine that I'm talking about, the things that actually truly matter. It is more than just the life that we lead every day. Okay, so don't postpone showing people, appreciating people, showing and appreciating the things that you have in your life, the materialistic thing, your job, your situation, your finances, your good health. You're alive today. You woke up alive today. Okay, so that is something to be truly grateful for, which we all forget to do. Okay, and it is those minutest things that we need to be very grateful for. So set aside a particular time every day to show your gratitude. Don't postpone that. Okay, beautiful. Get out of this envy energy. This envy energy is not about you being envious of others. No, it is about getting into a place of saying, I do all this and yet I don't get that. I am putting in so much of effort, but I don't get that output. You need to get out of that energy, because you're already blessed with so much. Because look at this card very carefully. She is in silver, okay, and she is envying the gold. Now, to somebody else on this side, even the silver is a lot, isn't it? Because for her, the gold is a lot and she is wanting that. But for somebody, even the silver is a lot. Okay, so to understand and to be grateful for what you have already, that will usher in the gold into your life, metaphorically speaking. Okay, so that is the energy, and your reading saying that you make special time every day to be grateful for what you are already blessed with. When you are operating from that energy, you will attract more to be grateful for. Okay, and you already have all it takes in the right situation, because the divine time always works for the betterment for us. Okay, because if we manifest things from a low vibrational energy, from desperation, then what we are attracting is also going to lead us to more desperation and more low vibrational energy. So when we get into an energy of gratitude, we attract something to be grateful for, and that is long lasting. Okay, so Taurus, a deep and profound reading for you. I hope and pray that this plays out into your life soon. I wish you all the very best. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, help my channel grow. I'll see you soon, Taurus. Namaste.